Class, today we are going to do the exercise work of lesson 3. I love my India. In the previous class we have done the tick the correct question answer. I hope you are remembering that. Okay, let us turn to the exercise section. A. Tick the correct answer. First one, officially India is called, there are 4 options, you can choose the appropriate answer. A. Bharat, B. Hindustan, C. Republic of India, D. India. What is the appropriate choice from this 4 answer? C is right one. Officially India is called Republic of India. C is the right option here. Next one, 2. Question number 2. By population, India's position in the world is A. First, B. Second, C. Seventh, D. Fourth. The right option is B. Second. By population, India's position in the world is second. India is second largest country in the world in relation with the population. 3. Question number 3. How many states are there in India? According to the recent development in the political map of India, we have 28 states. B is the right choice, right option here. 28 states. Okay, let us turn to the next page. Okay, the 4th question. Which of these countries is not one of our neighbors? A. Pakistan, B. Maldives, C. Iran, D. Myanmar. Which is the right option here? You have to write which is not a neighboring country. Here C is the correct answer. Iran is not one of our neighboring country. Rest of the countries is Pakistan, Maldives and Myanmar. Myanmar are our neighboring countries. So Iran is not one among our neighboring countries. C is the right option here. 5th question. Bangladesh lies in India's option. First, A. East, B. West, C. North, D. Northeast. Which is the right option? Bangladesh lies in India's eastern side. East is the answer here. Come to the fill in the blanks section. B. Fill in the blanks with correct words. First, India is the dash largest country by area in the world. So what is the position of India in the world in relation with the area? Area wise, India is the 7th largest country in the world. 7. Okay, the answer is 7. Next, question number 2. The northern boundary of India is protected by the dash. We have seen the northern side of India is mountains. We have Himalayas there in the north. So the northern boundary of India is protected by the Himalayas. Full stop. Himalayas is the answer here. Question number 3. India is bounded by the dash ocean on its south. What is the answer? Indian Ocean. In the southern side of India, we have a Indian Ocean. So, India is bounded by the Indian Ocean on its south. Full stop. Next question. Question number 4. On India's southwest lies the dash sea. Which sea is there in the southwest side of India? Southwest side of India. So what will be the answer? On India's southwest lies the Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea is the answer. Question number 5. India has dash union territories. Today we have 9 union territories, including the union territory of Jammu Kashmir. India has 9 union territories. Okay, C. Write T for true and F for false statement. Okay, you have 5 questions here. First one. On its southeast India has the Bay of Bengal. On its southeast India has the Bay of Bengal. The statement is true. Second question. India is in the continent of Africa. Is it true? India is in the continent of Asia, not Africa. So, the statement is false. You have to write F. Third question. Maharashtra is the largest state of India. Is it true? No. Which is the largest state of India? Today we have Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the largest state of India today. So this statement is false. You have to write F. Question number 4. The union territories are governed by the central government. True or false? So we know that we have seen that union territories are ruled by the or governed by the central government. So the statement is true. Statement is true. Question number 5. Maldives lies in the Arabian Sea. Where do we have Maldives? It is located in Arabian Sea. So the statement is true. Please take a screenshot of the page also. Next question. D. Match the following. D1. China. So you have to choose the right option here also. China comes in the northeast of India. So here the option is northeast. E is the right choice. Second, northern mountain. D. Landform. 3. The boundary between India and Pakistan. B is the right choice. Red Cliff Line. It is called Red Cliff Line. The boundary between India and Pakistan is known as Red Cliff Line. Okay, 4. 29th state. According to our old map, we have Telangana. Telangana is the 29th state of India. A is the right option here. Question number 5. Union territories. C is the correct option. Right choice. Central government. Union territories are ruled by or governed by Central Government of India. Okay, please take a screenshot of this page also. A. Tick the correct answer. 1. Officially India is called, I have written answer only. Okay, C is the right choice, Republic of India. 2. By population, comma, India's position in the world is, the right option is B, seconds. By population, India's position in the world is second. Question number 3. How many states are there in India? According to our latest map information, we have 28 states. Question number 4. Which of these countries is not one of our neighbors? Not one of our neighbors. The answer is Iran. Question number 5. Bangladesh lies in India's east. East is the answer. Okay, next B. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. India is the 7th largest country by area in the world. Okay. 2. The northern boundary of India is protected by the Himalayas. Himalayas is the answer. Question number 3. India is bounded by the dash ocean on its south, Indian Ocean on its south. Question number 4. On India's southwest lies the dash Arabian Sea. Which sea we have in the southwest? Arabian Sea. Okay, question number 5. India has 9 union territories. How many union territories? Today we have 9 union territories. Okay, C. Right, T for true and F for false statements. First question. On its southeast India has the Bay of Bengal. Statement is true. Okay. Second, India is in the continent of Africa. Statement is false. Question number 3. Maharashtra is the largest state of India. Statement is false. Fourth, the union territories are governed by the central government. Statement is true. Question number 5. Maldives lies in the Arabian Sea. Statement is true. So I wrote here T. Okay, D. Match the following. China, northeast, northern mountains, landforms, the boundary between India and Pakistan, red cliff line. 4. 29th state, Telangana. 5. Union territories, central government. Okay, E. Question number E. Short answer questions. So for these questions, you have to write answer shortly. First question: in which part of Asia does India lies? In which part of Asia does India lies? India lies in the southern South Asia. India comes in the South Asia, or India lies in the South Asia is the answer. 2. Which is the southernmost tip of India? Which is the southernmost tip of India? Here you have two answers. See, Kanyakumari is the southernmost tip of the mainland of India. Of the mainland of India, Kanyakumari is the southernmost tip of India. Southernmost tip. Then the southernmost tip of the country is Indira Point. Okay, question number 3. With whom does India share its border in the northwest? So, with whom does India share its border in the northwest? What is the answer? Afghanistan and Pakistan share the land borders in the northwest of India. See, here you have the answer. India has many countries as neighbors. It shares land borders with Afghanistan and Pakistan in the northwest. So, in the northwestern side of India, we have Afghanistan and Pakistan. So, the answer is Afghanistan and Pakistan. Question number 4. In which ocean does India have its two neighbors? We have two neighboring countries. They are located in the Indian Ocean. Or in an ocean. Is it? In which ocean? Indian Ocean. Which are those countries? Sri Lanka and Maldives. Let us find out. Here you have an answer for that question. Please read. Besides the above, India has two neighbors. Which are they? Sri Lanka and Maldives. Where do they locate? In its south in the Indian Ocean. So what will be the answer? In which ocean does India have its two neighbors? India have its two neighbors in the Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean is the answer. Okay, next comes long answer questions. Long answer question. Question number 1. Name the physical divisions of India. What are the major physical divisions of India? Let us find out the answer. See, this is the physical map of India. Physical map of India. Here comes the answer. India can be broadly divided into 5 physical divisions. First, the northern mountains. Second, the plains. It includes northern and coastal plains. Third, the southern plateau. Fourth, the western desert. It also called the Great Indian Desert in the state of Rajasthan. We have the Western Desert, which is also called the Great Indian Desert. Fifth, the islands. We have seen that two group of islands we have in Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. In the Bay of Bengal Sea, we have Andaman and Nicobar Island group, and in the Arabian Sea, we have the Lakshadweep group. Okay, next question. Question number 2. Write the names of the water bodies that surround India. Which are the water bodies that surround India? Which are they? Let us find out. You have answer for that question in the introductory part. Okay, here we can see the answer. The southern part of India is a peninsula. It is surrounded by water bodies, namely the Arabian Sea in the western side. We have Arabian Sea, western side of India. Arabian Sea is located. Then the Bay of Bengal, where it comes in the east, and the Indian Ocean in the south. These are the three water bodies which surround India. Question number 3. Describe governments at various levels in India. Okay, we have to describe governments at various levels in India. We have seen that we have central government as well as state governments for each state. Thirdly, we know that we came to know that the union territories are directly governed by the central government of India. Okay, let us find out the answer. See the page, political divisions. Here comes the answer. In India, we have a government at two levels. Which are they? The central government at national level in Delhi. Then second, the state governments at state levels, at state headquarters. Then the union territories are governed by the central government of central government. This is the answer for the question. Okay, question number 4. What do you know about India's neighbors? Okay, we have to write about our neighboring countries. We have seen that India shares land borders with 7 countries as Afghanistan, Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar and Bangladesh. Also we have 2 island neighboring countries. Which are they? Sri Lanka and Maldives. Where do they lie? They are in the Indian Ocean, in the southern side of India. Okay, let us find out the answer. See India's neighbors. India has many countries as neighbors. It shares land borders with Afghanistan and Pakistan in the northwest, China, Nepal and Bhutan in the northeast, Myanmar or Burma and Bangladesh in the east. Beside the above, India has two neighbors, Sri Lanka and Maldives in its south in the Indian Ocean. These are our neighboring countries. Okay, next question. Write the names of the seven sisters. In which part of India are they located? We have seen that these seven sisters, they are located in the north eastern side of India. Which are the countries? Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Tripura are the states called the seven sisters. In which part of India are they located? We have to find out the answer. The political division of India, last part. See, the seven states in northeastern India are called the seven sisters. This is the answer for which are the states called seven sisters. These are Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura. Please take a screenshot of the page. E. Short answer questions. First, in which part of Asia does India lie? India, the country, lies in South Asia is the answer. 2. Question number 2. Which is the southernmost tip of India? The southernmost tip of the mainland of India is Kanyakumari. Full stop. Question number 3. With whom does India share its borders in the northwest? The answer is Afghanistan and Pakistan share the land borders in the northwest of India. Full stop. Question number 4. In which ocean does India have its two neighbors? Answer is India, Sri Lanka and Maldives in its south in the Indian Ocean. Full stop. Next, F. Long answer questions. Can be broadly divided into 5 physical divisions. They are: first, the northern mountains; second, 2, the plain, northern and coastal; 3, the southern plateau; 4, the western desert or the great Indian desert; 5, the island. These are the major 5 divisions of India. Question number 2. Write the names of the water bodies that surround India. India is surrounded by water bodies, namely the Arabian Sea in the west, the Bay of Bengal in the east, and the Indian Ocean in the south. Question number 3. Describe governments at various levels in India. We have governments in India at 2 levels. A. The central government at national level in Delhi. B. The state government at state level at state headquarters. Full stop. The union territories are governed by the central government. The answer is over. Okay. 4. What do you know about India's neighbors. India shares her land borders with 7 countries as Afghanistan, Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar and Bangladesh. Sri Lanka and Maldives lies in the Indian Ocean. Next question. Write the names of the 7 states. In which part of India are they located? Answer is Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura are the states called the 7 states. These states are located in the northeastern side of India. These states are located in the eastern side of India. Okay, the answer is over. Please go through the question answer, learn it, and if you have anything to ask, more clarification or doubt, you can ask to me. Rest of the portion we will do in the next class. If you have not yet subscribed the channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon also in order to get the upcoming issues regularly. Thank you.